Welcome to a Citrix Smart Tools demonstration. In this video, we'll explore the new capabilities found in the recently released new service called Smart Check. Before we jump into Smart Check, let's review Smart Tools overall. Smart Tools is one of the key services delivered by Citrix Cloud. It's a software as a service offering. Smart Tools are designed to be easily consumable services that empower Citrix administrators to deliver secure, highly performing workspaces on premises or in the cloud. Smart Tools can help setting up a new site, or you can easily onboard an existing site to gain operational efficiencies. Smart Check is the latest addition to Smart Tools. It provides proactive diagnosis and repair of issues found in your Citrix environments. Keeping your Citrix environment current with the latest patches and updates is an essential part of ensuring a highly secure and best performing deployment. There are three categories of issues Smart Check currently helps diagnose. Site health checks evaluate all your FMA services. Apps and desktop checks ensure delivery groups are available. And update checks explore patch levels and recommended hotfixes. It should be noted that many more check sets are being delivered through Smart Check by various Citrix teams, including LTSR compliance and VDA health checks. We'll continue to expand our diagnostic coverage. So who has access to Smart Tools? Anyone can log in going to smart.cloud.com. There's no fee for customers to use Smart Tools in production with active Citrix software maintenance. That program is now called Customer Success Services, the Select offering. In addition, all of our partners have access to these tools. So with that, let's switch over to Smart Check and take a quick look at the service. The most direct way to get to Smart Tools is to simply go to smart.cloud.com. You can also navigate to Smart Tools from the Management Console on citrix.cloud.com. Either way, you land here. Smart Tools currently delivers 4 key services. Moving to the Smart Check panel, we can select it and get right to it. I've already connected several sites to Smart Check. So the first thing we see is a brief overview of reported issues, errors, warnings, and updates. I'll show how easy it is to onboard a site at the end. Moving down here to my XenApp 7.6 site, I'm going to select View Report to take a look at my health report. The 3 types of checks I mentioned in the slides up front have previously run, and these are the results. I've run apps and desktop health checks, site health checks, and update checks. All 3 check sets ran successfully, and I've got several issues, errors, and warnings to take a look at. Along the bottom, I get a graphical view of my site, delivery groups, controllers, machine catalogs. By selecting the machine catalog, I can drill down further and gain more insight. Expanding one of the machine catalogs exposes several issues that could be solved by applying hotfixes. Choosing the first one, you'll see on the right side information about the suggested fix. I can learn more about it by selecting a link to the article in the Support Knowledge Center. From here, I can download and apply the hotfix. Back at the Smart Check page, let's take a look at the configuration options. It's very simple to select any of the 3 check sets and set up regular scheduled runs. Returning to the health report, I can also choose to perform these checks on demand at any time, either individually or all the checks at once. You may be wondering what checks are actually performed. From the documentation, which is easily accessible from within Smart Tools, you can navigate to the Smart Check section and get a listing of current checks. For example, these are the site health checks. Now let's take a look at how you onboard an existing site. If you've never connected to a site, this is the first screen you will see. It's a simple 1, 2, 3 process from 0 to proactive health checking. The first step is to add a site. Here you'll be directed to download the Smart Tools agent. The agent is installed to a connector machine that acts as a point of contact between Smart Tools and the machines in a firewalled resource location. All traffic is secure across HTTPS. Once you've established that connection, you can begin using Smart Check to diagnose issues, provide recommended fixes, and to keep your site secure and running at peak performance. One other item of note, you can also receive SmartCheck email notifications. For Citrix admins, this is very helpful to have SmartCheck alert you to the health of your current system. To enable notifications, go to Resources and Settings, select My Profile, and ensure that email notifications is turned on, and specifically the SmartCheck issue summary is enabled. That was a brief tour of SmartCheck. Smart Tools are available to you now at smart.cloud.com. Be sure to follow us on Twitter. We'd love to hear from you in email, and thanks for watching.